Hi, welcome to another episode of Mind of a Madman with yours truly, Ricky Shotta, sponsored by In the Kitchen with Ricky Shotta and Mama Sylvie's Catering. I had a whole plan of doing a whole different show tonight, but with what has transpired over the past 24 to 48 hours, um, let's just talk about something else other than the show I had planned. Let's talk about depression. Depression is a serious thing. If you have someone that's going through it or you're going through it, find an outlet, talk to someone, open up. Don't take that way out. When I say don't take that way out, rest in peace to Stephen Boss, aka Twitch. He was the DJ for Helen, and from the outside it looked like everything was fine. He brought joy when he was dancing. He was dancing with his kids, his wife. He brought a lot of people through that pandemic by them just dancing and making videos. But again, saying that to say this, you never know what somebody's going through. And like I said, you might be going through it. If you are going through something, find an outlet, talk to someone. Because depression, mental illness, it is serious. And we as the African American community, especially the West Indian community, we tend to push this thing under the rug and not talk about things, especially male. We need to open up. This right here hits close to home because here it is, December. December is not a good month for my family and myself because we've had a family member that went out the same way. But remember, it's not what you do to yourself that affects you. It affects everyone around you. We are left to pick up the pieces. We are left to try to figure out what made you do that, what made you do this. But again, it's an illness that we don't talk about, and we need to talk about it. If you want to talk about it, hit me up. Comment down below. Shoot me an email. Or reach out to someone that you can talk to and get it off of your chest. You don't need to go through it all by yourself. Again, we're all going through something, and it's hard. It's very hard. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's easy, because I myself struggle with things at times. Afraid to open up, afraid to confide in people because you don't trust. But we need to open up. We need to talk. Again, rest in peace to Twitch. And let's just start talking. Let's start talking about this. Again, I wish I could be in a better state of mind to talk to y'all about the show that I wanted to do, because I had a whole show planned, but unfortunately I had to reflect on some things and not go into that. In fact, I was planning on doing a show like this at the end of the month, around the time of my cousin's death. And I was going to talk about depression later on in the month, but God sends to work in mysterious ways. I'm not going to question him. But, like I said, talk about these things. Depression is a serious thing. We need to open up. We need to talk. Get things off of our chests. And again, don't judge what someone is going through from the outside, because they might be all fine and dandy from the outside, but they're dying on the inside. Reach out to a friend or a family right now that you haven't spoken to, because some beefs are not that serious. You never know what that person is going through. Again, enough of me talking. Shoot me an email if you need to talk. All I can do is listen. Sometimes that's all you need to do, is just listen. All right? Thank you for tuning in to Mind of a Madman with your boy Ricky Shotta. Sponsored by In the Kitchen with Ricky Shotta and Mama Sylvie's Catering. But seriously, open up. Let's start a discussion about depression. Peace.